RabbitMQ is a message broker that routes messages through exchanges, not directly to queues. Here's the key architecture. Producer sends messages to an exchange. The exchange acts as a routing agent. It reads routing keys and message headers, then decides which queue or queues should receive the message. Finally, consumers pick up messages from their queues. This decouples producers from consumers completely. RabbitMQ has 4 exchange types. Fanout broadcasts to all queues, like notifications. Direct routes by exact key match. Send email tasks to email queue. Topic uses wildcards. Order.created. Order.star matches all order events. Star.critical matches any critical event. Headers matches by message attributes like priority or format. Use RabbitMQ for microservices communication, event-driven systems, and background jobs. Exchanges are the heart of RabbitMQ. Choose the right routing pattern. Follow PingCrowds for more tech content.